They needed me to go live. They needed it. I got the product. They need it. Bro, I got to the point on Fortnite where yesterday I was playing and this kid straight gave up. AMC bottoming as predicted, guys. AMC bottoming as predicted. We don't have to care when anyone says AMC's up 12% on the day, baby. AMC's up 12% on the day. We don't have to care what no one says. I told you she was gonna bottom, baby. We don't care what no one says. Told you she was gonna bottom, baby. Amy, bottom. Yo, Amy, bottoming. Amy, bottoming. Amy, bottoming. We told you she gonna bottom, baby. Amy up 11%. Yo. You gotta play Arc Raiders. I've seen it. I gotta try it, bro. I gotta try it. I've seen it. I don't know if I like the movement on it, but it seems like it's like a lot of people are liking that game. I got to the point on Fortnite. I should have recorded the clip. The dude literally gave up. He seen me editing and like building towards him. He literally is like, I don't even want none of this. He did the little pickaxe swing where he shows he's trying to be friendly. And I threw up a GG's emote and then killed him. Yeah, GameStop and AMC got a little bit of a pop here. I think it's probably because of some type of like issue. We're gonna check it out here. I was watching on the sidelines, waiting for Amy to run a little bit more. They're gonna try to force her back down though, cause they don't only got guys. There's no shares left to sell. No shares left on Amy, bruh. Yeah. Member for 27 months. How comes I didn't know you were a member for so long?
Right up there with Sonny G Glasses Rockets.
Todd, the true legend, bro. Thank you for the 27 long months, brother. We really don't have to care what anyone says. Amy gonna bottom, right? Why'd she go right to my price target before bottoming, though? And a 5 gifted? Todd, what are we doing, bro? You're getting a little crazy. Calm down now, brother. Hype in the chat for Toddsters. Shit, I might have to make a video today. There's no more shares left. There's really no more shares left on AMC. On AMC. I swear to God, if we see cost of borrow spike on top of this, it's AMC's gonna run. They don't have any shares to short it. Something's going on. They pushed it down too far. All that bullish pressure is gonna be released. AMC up 11%. You know the AMC haters is mad. They really got no more shares left for AMC. SPY's topping out. SPY is topping out. If GameStop goes over 2150, we're gonna moon. Yo, 150 calls just went in the money on AMC. Oh my God, they're screwed. Amy's gonna start running. They have 35,000 shares left. I might have to make a video today. Something is definitely brewing. AMC is too oversold, and I've been telling you guys. I've been telling you guys, AMC capitulation signal. That's the bottom. AMC bottom in. AMC bottomed. Ladies and gentlemen, something is brewing for AMC. Check it out. There is only 35,000 shares left for AMC. This is extremely bullish. If we see cost of borrow pop on top of this, you know she's going to start running. AMC reaction to this, it's up over 12% on the day. If AMC is able to hold 150, things could get nasty. Look out, ladies and gentlemen. AMC is bottoming. Like and subscribe because I did call this out, ladies and gentlemen. I did call this out. Yeah, they could keep dark pooling. Amy, yeah. Friday. It says 0 now. They dumped the 35,000. They have 0 shares. They dumped their 35,000 for this move here, so that's it. Dark pool volume just picked up all of a sudden. 73% dark pool volume. The dilution fully priced in, bro. We about to move. finally our time, baby. Yo, Danny Lamb, TGL falling wedge breakout. Look how we broke above the sloping support and resistance, used it as support and rallied. You're gonna have to keep waiting for the 15ers. No way they allow GameStop over 2150 because they have 6.1 million. They're dumping on GameStop right now as we speak. They're dumping on GameStop right now as we speak, trying to keep it under 2150. AMC being above 150 is a problem. We have resistance at 165. If AMC stays up, I'm gonna definitely make a video. Which I think it might. As long as we don't have... As long as they don't get more shares, it's going to go up. And if we see cost of borrow start spiking, then it's going to go crazy. But as long as they keep shares low, AMC is going to go up. They got too greedy. They tried to push it down too far. SPY's topping out. Yeah, they got too greedy. Bro, I've never seen my live go up so fast. We instantly had 90 people. I've never seen my live go up that fast. I just got online, but I'm glad you switched off of Jackie for me, bro. Now we have 98 people. We're about to go straight to 100. Being a stock and crypto YouTuber has its pros and cons. When the market's slow, your views go down. But when the market's hot, your views will pop.
Try hard, go hard.
AMC holding key levels. AMC holding key levels. Things could get wild. Okay, and a $2 super chat. IMRX. Yeah, someone was saying about that tanked. I don't fool around with any RX stocks or biotech stocks. I don't fool around with none of that. This one will fill the gap most likely, though. There's probably a gap here on the daily time frame. There's a small gap on the daily time frame. It will bounce, but I don't fool with none of these stocks, bro. It's gonna bounce up to like $6. I don't fool with these biotech stocks or anything like that, brother. Danny Lamb with the #1 crown. It's gonna bounce for sure. It already has a bullish hammer candle daily time frame. It's gonna bounce for sure, but
can you
very
look at
risky.
IMRX? It tanked 40% recently.
Any biotech, bioscience, stuff like this, it's just high risk. Obviously high reward too, but they all on me. Guys, I have a wife. Spy tracked perfectly with my prediction. Also, unemployment came out lower. Unemployment came out at 4.4%. Unemployment came out at 4.4%, but the market still dipped down. Why are they revised the numbers? Cause wasn't November 4.6? They must have revised November's numbers. Yeah, from a revised 4.5. They can't do that, bro. This is so I hate the economy. I don't hate the economy. I hate the games they play. You can't just revise numbers. So they changed the November's from 4.6 to 4.5 and then changed. That's how you know the numbers are just fake. None of this shit matters, bro. The numbers are just fake. Bro, we have 113 people instantly. Thank you all for waiting on me, and thank you for guys for coming in right away. I appreciate it. We have 43 likes already and 118 viewers. I've never seen my live take off like this. It literally looks like a rocket ship. It just... And people were waiting. There was 22 people waiting. How do you guys wait for my live stream though? Can you click on it early? It just instantly shot up to 120 people. Trinity Crown. What up? Adam, what up? Real Sphere, thank you. I'll put Silver up on the screen. Silver's at 80-25. Guys, we talked about AMC bottoming for a long time. For the last couple of days, we told you this was coming. If AMC stays above 150, it's going to be a problem for the shorts. Spy tracking, spy tracking. What up, Gary? Holy cow, we're really moving. We're really moving. 128 in the building. We're moving right now. We are moving and grooving. 128 in the building. We are moving and grooving. Five brand new members already. $131 in the building now. 131. Sup, John? How you feeling, bro? Let's go, let's go. If AMC is able to break and hold 165, it could get wild. God damn it. Moon soon, you dig? E. Martin, what up? Eric G. Fishy Friends is here. Spy tracking, spy tracking. I think spy might be topping out, not financial advice. It could go higher though. Unemployment was decent. Okay, chat is going crazy. I love to see it. AMC up 11.5% on the day right now. Zelly Zen, what up? Hey, yo, guys, check it out. We have some news for GME. Oh, wow, we're at 2,237 X followers. Thank you so much. Ryan Cohen bought more shares of GME, a 10% increase in his stake. Giving him a total of 3,734,784 shares. And that is Ryan Cohen. This is insider buying of GME. Bullish, ladies and gentlemen. Like and subscribe for more news, predictions for stocks and crypto.
JK, really?
That's why HYMC is up, because silver's back up. HYMC follows silver price closely. If AMC shares, okay, they have 200 shares. They have 200 shares left for AMC. 200 shares, that's it. This is getting crazy. Fox the Reaper changed their picture.
Try eyes over that bag.
Eskimos.
Guys, I really feel like the memes are turning around. It looks like AMC is going to curl to the upside. Chat is going crazy. Lion of all trades in the building as well. What up, brother? Love to see another YouTuber in the building. Love to see it. Spy resistance at 694.84. Spy resistance 694.84. Spy tracking. GameStop 21.39. If GameStop breaks and holds 21.50, it's gonna go crazy. 135 in the building right now. 135 in the building. Guys, like and subscribe. Help support for absolutely free. Like and subscribe. Support for absolutely free right now. Everybody's in the building today. Everybody's in the building. 138 in the building right now. 75 likes already, guys. 75 likes already. Thank you guys for the support. 75 likes already. GameStop curling up a little bit. If GameStop breaks and holds 2150, it's gonna get wild. Yo, today is lit. I haven't seen Tan for short in a while, but she's probably listening in the background. I want to thank you all for tuning in to my stream today. I want to thank you for tuning in for my stream today. We're at 147 people in the building. 147 in the building. 5 brand new members. I've only been live for an hour and I got 400 views. $162 in the building. 83 likes.
Oh God, is it you again? Aaron, you're crazy.
Guys, if you want to support for free, like and subscribe. We just got a new subscriber as well. Guys, you want to lock in. We called for this move on AMC. We told you AMC was bottoming.
Oh God, is it you again? Aaron, you're crazy. Oh God, is it you again? Aaron, you're crazy.
This is not the start of the MOAS, no. But it could be the start of a bottom. Okay, AMC curling up. This could get wild. Quick update on unemployment. If you have a job, keep it. U.S. job growth stays stuck, stalling. Unemployment did come out lower at 4.4%, but still remains high. November's numbers got revised from 4.6 to 4.5. Like and subscribe for more predictions, news, and information. One hour till power hour. 1 hour till power hour. GCA! GCA, thank you. That puts us at 10 brand new members. GCA, thank you. That puts us at 10 brand new members for the day. We are moving and grooving. 80 likes already. We've only been live for an hour. 400 views. 10 brand new members. If 150 calls are covered, will AMC pump more? Yes. Danny Lamb, thank you for the second super chat. Danny Lamb, thank you for the second super chat.
If 1.5 calls are covered, will AMC pump more?
Yo, 14, you got another one.
$191 in the building. 191 in the building right now. Almost 100 likes. Spy tracking perfectly here, rejecting. I think Spy's topping out. It's finally our time, family. AMC definitely about to push back to the upside. They have 0 shares left. 0 shares left. They dumped 200 shares. They're desperate. They're literally desperate. 20 bomb. No. Alex with the 20 bomb.
To my bro, DZ. Happy
Could
New
this
Year
stream
fam,
get
following
wild?
you for 5 years and you've
Got
never
a
let
little
us
bit of
down
hype
with the
train
content
going.
and daily coverage. You are appreciated. Oncoming fist medium
Thank
skin
you for
tone.
staying involved so long. 5 years, brother. You are appreciated, dude, and thank you. That 20 bomb is greatly appreciated. We just got 10 brand new members and a 20 bomb. This is huge. This stream's getting kind of crazy already. Again, if you want to support for absolutely free, just like and subscribe. Just like and subscribe. We just hit another new subscriber, 16,614, man. I truly appreciate that. We've been calling for the AMC bottom. I told you guys AMC was going to push up. We told you in yesterday's video. Again, if we see AMC break and hold above $1.50, that would be extremely bullish. Market makers are going to fight fiercely to try to keep us under that level. $1.50 is the level where we want to be at, and I believe we are going to potentially find a floor around these ranges, especially since we are now at the price target that we would be at if we did get that float expansion. So again, this could be pricing in the dilution here for AMC stock, and not only some of it, but all of the dilution here for AMC stock. So this is what we're looking at for AMC. Just remember, max pain is always in effect on Fridays. GME's max pain is sitting at $20. So again, they're going to want to try to push GME down as well. They don't want $20 calls in the money because obviously that would give us bullish gamma. If you go ahead and look at what's going on here for GME's options chain, I don't think they want 2150 calls in the money, and they definitely don't want $22 calls in the money. GME's options chain looks really bullish, especially after that recent announcement. You guys can see we have some decent activity here around $21.50 and $22. So they definitely want to keep us under $21.50. If GME's able to break and hold $21.50, expect a decent pop to the upside. If you missed my last couple of videos, you need to watch them. Okay, you need to watch this video, and this video, especially the AMC and GME lawsuit. You need to understand the AMC and GME lawsuit. You need to understand what's going on with Ryan Cohen, and you need to understand the technicals. Watch these 3 videos if you missed them. You need to watch them now. And maybe even this video, the last 3 to 4 videos, you need to watch them now. And this is an AMC IRL video where I went to AMC in a different state if you guys want to check that out. AMC popping. AMC resistance at 165. If AMC breaks and holds 165, we could get another pop to the upside.
Nephew.
GameStop going green on the day. GameStop going green on the day. GameStop curling to the upside. Remember, if GameStop can break and hold 2150, it could get crazy. $145 in the building. Chat is moving, and we love to see it. If you guys can, keep it up. AMC bands are tight. The bands are tight with Red MacD. We might have to pull back. Zero shares left available to short. Zero shares left available to short. Y'all better leave that magic shit alone. Y'all better leave that magic shit alone, man. Don't y'all know what magic is? I hope they don't get another 5 million shares, Joe. Chirac. Bitcoin Cash approaching good entry. All-time high. Chris, thank you.
BCH approaching apex. About to leg up good entry.
Thank you for the 2-piece, dude. E. Martin with the hot dog. Guys, we got a little hype train going here. I love the sound effects. Some people don't like them, but I like them. AMC might have to pull back a little bit. Red MACD, our side trending down. DataZero. Please don't tell me. All right, so yes, indeed, Amy pulling back. We have support at 150. We gotta hold 150. If AMC stays above 150, I'm making a video today. Especially, and if shares stay low, I'm making a video.
Yo, 14, you got another one.
Come on, bro. Give me a break. AMC getting a bounce. GameStop also coming up, guys. This is getting interesting here. This is getting really interesting here. GameStop. Look. GameStop, Bollinger Bands tightening up, bro. We're about to get Green MACD. GameStop's gonna break 150. Holy smokes. Do you guys know what's about to happen? We're about to run on both. We're gonna put pressure on both sides. Short's about to be hurt, and yeah. SPY still has resistance at 694.84. Wow, thank you guys so much. Truly.
Nephew.
James. Thank you for the 3-piece. That's actually unique. The unique 3-piece. All right, I just enabled my tip jar on I just enabled my tip jar on Rumble. But it looks like it takes crypto. That's crazy. I'll be highly surprised if somebody sends me crypto on Rumble. But hey, I opened the door for it. And thank you guys so much. We have 115 likes, 143 in the building. Ten brand new members. And you guys went crazy and gave me 16,615 subscribers. We hit 16,615 subscribers. This stream's going nuts. We only been live for like an hour. We only been live for, let's see. We've been live for an hour and a half. We've only been live an hour and a half. We have 10 brand new members, 116 likes. And 750 views. That's insane. So we might do like 1.2, 1.5. Thank you guys for tuning in. I appreciate it. It's going good, yo. What's your Rumble wallet for receiving crypto? I don't. Let me see if I can put the address. There's a QR code and everything. Holy smokes. That's kind of fire. YouTube should do that. Yo, Island with the 10. Island with the 10. Let's go. Island and James Monroe. Thank you. I keep calling you James. I'm sorry, bro. It's not James Monroe. I'm sorry. I'm stupid. James R, bro. James R. I appreciate you, bro. James R and Island, bro. I don't think I've ever gotten a 3-piece. So that's the first time I've ever gotten a 3-piece. Thank you. GameStop is tracking.
What's potions look like at 1.50? Person surfing medium light skin tone male sign. Person surfing medium light skin tone male sign. Person surfing medium light skin tone male sign. Rocket key handshake popcorn.
Right there's the Bitcoin address. I just shared the Bitcoin address. And then there's this QR code. But I shared the address on stream. Someone bought a Discord with crypto before. I don't know if SPY's gonna push higher. It might, guys. So honestly, I might be wrong. I might be wrong on SPY. Yeah, Bitcoin's gonna be boring for a while, but it will pick back up. It's following the fractal. It's following the fractal perfectly. It's not gonna be exactly the same, but it's gonna be pretty damn close. $6.2 million GameStop. Still 0 shares on AMC. Still 0 shares left on AMC. ASL's for the old school people. That's the ALL stuff. We blasted off to 100 likes. GameStop pulling back a little bit. They're going to fight hard to keep us away from 2150. They are going to fight hard to keep us away from 2150. AMC holding 150. This is mega bullish. If AMC stays above 150, I make a video. And especially if there's no shares left. I'm making a short video about AMC only. Making a short video about AMC only. Yeah, SPY is pushing up, guys. SPY is pushing up. It's in an uptrend and everything. RSI is getting hot too. It might pull back here in the close. I'm gonna leave my prediction.
I didn't want to do this.
Come on, Amy. Just as long as they don't have any shares, we should stay up. They're gonna dark pool heavy. Oh my God, dark pool 33 million shares. Yo, AMC's volume is exploding. AMC's volume, bro. This is a bottom. Look at the volume spike. Huge buying. 57 million volume, guys. I repeat, 57 million volume. And it should be even more than that. It should be 80 or 90 million, bro. There's 30 million shares traded in a dark pool. 33 million. Ladies and gentlemen. AMC's volume going insane. Look at the volume spike. Look at the volume trending up. Price trending down. So bullish. So bullish. RSI trending up. Price trending down. I told you guys 143, 145, 150. We're going to find a bottom around that range there. We called out that price target for the 133 or the 143 a while ago. If you guys missed the AMC lawsuit video, check that out. There's an AMC lawsuit and an AMC and Jamie press conference. If you guys want to check that video out, I just posted it. SPY is pushing, guys. SPY is pushing. Yeah, I could definitely be wrong about SPY, but RSI is getting hot, so we still might pull back here, but it wouldn't be until like power hour, which we have 10 minutes till power hour. 10 minutes till power hour. AMC's volume is pumped up, guys. GameStop, come on, find the floor, baby, find the floor. We have a gap fill to the upside here on GameStop. Upside gap fill. GME. Come on, Amy. Hold these levels, baby. Come on. I want to see you close above 150. If we close above 150, we're so bullish. Yeah, SPY's going, guys. SPY is going. Roonies, man. Come on, Amy. They're dark pooling heavy. Dark pool volume spiked. 70% dark pool volume. 34 million. 34.8 million shares traded in the dark pool, ladies and gentlemen. This is absolute insanity. We are heading into power hour. Look at that volume spike. Look at that fucking volume candle. 58 million shares traded on Amy. Nah, they had to start covering 1.5. That's why it rallied up. Someone bought a bunch of 450 calls. Something weird is happening. A lot of people are taking profits on the 150 call options. Let's look at next week's. They're taking profits on the 150s. Someone is buying 450 call options. It's weird. What do they know that we don't know? SPY pulling back a little bit after peaking out at 695.23. Unemployment was good today, so SPY bullish. Hope for GameStop to get a bounce. GameStop support at 21.30. GameStop support 21.30. AMC right now up 9.5% on the day, 9.25 at 158. AMC up 9.25 at 158. Four minutes till power hour right now. We have about 4 minutes till power hour. Damn, they're dark pooling, bro. They ain't got no shares. Still 0 shares. 10.90% short interest. I would love to see Costas borrow spike right now. That would just put the icing on the cake. We'll start running. Come on, Amy. Go back up to 165, baby. People took profits on 150 calls for sure, bro. It went to 170. This looks good so far, though. Could be like bull flagging here a little bit. As long as we don't dip below 150. Volume is running though, so we got the volume. We're now at 58 million.4 shares traded. Come on, Amy, get back above this 150, this 160 here. I want to see Amy back above 160, baby. Come on. 160, go, go. Drop rockets in the chat, guys. We need rockets. If we ever needed them more than ever, we need them. RSI trending down. Bearish momentum building, man. We need to get this back up. She's fighting, bro. SPY is dipping down here, guys. SPY will have support at 694.84. Just keep that in mind. $153 in the building. $153 in the building. We need the rockets, bro. We need them. It's like the old days. Drop the rockets. Spam the rockets. Spam them. Yo, thank you guys. 16,616 subscribers. Unbelievable. 16,616 subscribers. Guys, we're doing numbers today. We're doing absolute numbers today. GameStop at 21.32. AMC at 158. Bitcoin 90,200. Ethereum 3,075. XRP 207. XRP tracking perfectly with macro prediction. TGL falling wedge breakout. TGL falling wedge breakout in play. This could start pushing up here. SMX unfortunately pulling back, breaking down out of pennant. What the man? We're gonna keep an eye on SMX. SMX could push back to the upside here. SMX is a beast. SPY pulling back, guys. SPY is pulling back. If SPY loses 94.84, it will dump down. I think we might see a pullback on SPY heading here in the power hour. Probably in the last 30 minutes, we'll probably see SPY start to pull back. Not financial advice. You'll probably see SPY to start to pull back in the last 30 minutes, ladies and gentlemen. You are watching the DZ live stream. If you want to support for absolutely free, hit that like button, subscribe right now. Hit that like button and subscribe right fucking now. I appreciate it. TGIF Fridays, ladies and gentlemen. If you guys can, follow my second channel, DataZero Gaming. Follow my second channel, DataZero Gaming. I'm trying to get my second channel monetized, and it would really help out. I record my gameplay and stuff like that, and I post it. So if you guys want to help out with that and help me out, you can subscribe to my second channel, DataZero Gaming. I just posted the link. GameStop 21.25. GameStop dipping down, man. GameStop dipping down. We have this gap filled to the upside. Can we get a bounce? Can we get a bounce? AMC holding on. If Amy can get back above 160, that would be great. But as long as we close above 150, that's very, very bullish. I feel like they're going to try to knock us down in the close, but they don't have any short shares. They might try to get some. There's been a problem, though. They've been low on shares. Come on, GameStop. What you doing, buddy? Amy's trying to come back, bro. Amy trying to come back. Bitcoin still 90,200. Thank you guys for 10 brand new members today and 141. I repeat, 141 likes. Let's go. They have 6.1 million. They just shorted on GameStop. They literally just shorted on GameStop. They just shorted shares on GameStop. Still 0 shares left for AMC. I repeat, still 0 shares left for AMC. A 76% say yes sir, we can hit the like goal, and we did hit the like goal. 11% like to help out, and 13% TGIF. 124 votes. $160 in the building right now, guys. We got $160 in the building. GameStop trying to get a bounce. RSI not oversold, but we are outside the band, so we moved down a little quickly here. Come on, Amy, curl back up in the close, baby. I see it. I see it. I feel like Amy want to do this. I feel like Amy want to do this. They're going to try to knock us down, but I really feel like she wants to pop in the close. I feel like Amy want to pop in the close. They're going to try to knock us down. We got so much bearish momentum building, bro. We need to get back up, yo. Damn, we might have to hit that commercial. Guys, should I put a commercial or not? Commercials take away views a little bit, though. Would you guys hate me, absolutely hate me if I ran a commercial? All premium members won't see commercials. All right, GameStop's getting a bounce. Coming back inside the bands here. Amy trying to come back for 160. Where's lunchtime? Where's lunchtime at? SPY might definitely start pulling back here in the close. As expected, last 30 minutes. It is officially power hour. I repeat, it is officially power hour. It is officially power hour. 50 minutes left of trading. 50 minutes left of trading. We have 162 in the building right now. $162 in the building right now, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, if SPY loses this level of support, it's going to push down. Amy coming back. Amy coming back, ladies and gentlemen. It's not over till it's over. You got Robinhood Gold. Don't use Robinhood. Not financial advice. Yeah, SPY dipping down. If SPY loses this 694.85, it's gonna pull back. Amy back to 160. Amy back to 160. Life is good, ladies and gentlemen. What a beautiful Friday. Over 1,000 views. Danny Lamb with the two-piecer. Coming out of nowhere. Danny Lamb is holding it down today. Number 3 crown as well.
AMC rocket 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 rocket.
$168 people in the building. 144 likes. Only been live 2 hours, guys. We've only been live 2 hours. Thank you so much. Thank you all for tuning in. Thank you for supporting me. I truly appreciate that. Wow. Guys, thank you so freaking much. We are at 16,617 subscribers. We've only been live for 2 hours. 192 in the building? Wow. We've only been live for 2 hours, y'all. We've only been live for 2 hours, 12 minutes, and we already have 1,000 views. Insane. What if we did a 7-hour live stream today? We'd have like 2,000 views. 10 brand new members. 192 in the building. SPY getting ready to pull back, guys. I told you guys SPY was going to get bearish in power hour, take profit on calls. SPY's going to get bearish in power hour, take profit on calls. Guys, if you want to join the Discord, I told you guys AMC GME was going to move up. If you want to join the Discord, hit me up on my email, DataZeroOfficial5. $100 for a lifetime invite. Payment made via PayPal or Cash App. I also have a class trading and how to read charts. We already have one person who got it. Absolutely loves it. He made all of his money back. The class is $499.99. He literally made all of his bread back. If you don't believe me, he said it himself. Yeah, I need that. I need the Wawa, bro, because my coffee fund's getting low. Thank you so much. Truly. My coffee funds are getting low. I need that.
Some Wawa money.
I need that. Chat is going crazy, dude. And James with another 4. Misty and James coming in hot. Misty and James coming in hot. Let's go. Misty and James coming in with it. A 5 and a 4 piece. I don't think I've ever, no, I've gotten a 4 piece before, but I've never gotten a 3. Thank you, bro. Let's get some hype in the chat for Misty and James. GameStop 21.21. They're trying to keep us away from 21.50. They're trying to knock us down, guys. Max Payne, their GameStop shorts are in a lot of hurt right now. They're trying to knock GameStop down. They're trying to knock GameStop down. Damn, we got this one wrong, baby. Can't get them all. In this game, you got to be right more than you're wrong. AMC up about 9.92%. Guys, if you want to support for absolutely free, just hit that like button and subscribe. Hit that like button and subscribe. If you missed the AMC and GME lawsuit video, check it out. AMC and GME lawsuit video, check it out. And also check out this if you got it, you got to check out what's going on with Ryan Cohen, and check out this video for technicals on AMC and how we called the bottom. This video is also important too. So the last 4 videos of mine you want to check out, guys, if you missed them. This is what AMC does. It just pumps out of nowhere. All right, we are 2 likes away from 150. GameStop at 21.20, SPY 6.95, AMC 159. Yeah, they did get 100,000 shares left for AMC. 100,000 shares left for AMC. SPY trying to push back to the upside, guys. SPY trying to push back up here. I'm hoping GameStop gets a little bit of a bounce in the close, but I know they want to push it down because GameStop's max pain is GameStop's max pain is 2050, so they're in a world of hurt right now. We're way above max pain because GameStop got that gap to the upside. So they're in a world of pain right now. We're way above max pain. $100,000 shares left for AMC right now. They're in a world of pain on GameStop right now. So they need to push GameStop down every cent they can. And especially that AMC's up 10%. They are hurting. They are hurting. Snorting? What the heck? You guys are wildin'. DZ fam is back. The originals in the building right now. Chatting it up. Love to see it. That helps drive the algo. I appreciate you guys. GameStop coming lower, man. They're gonna try to push it down every cent they can. As long as we close above 21 on GameStop, I'm Gucci, and 150 on AMC. All right, GameStop getting a little bit of a bounce off of 21.15. GameStop getting a bounce off 21.15. It looks like Amy wants to curl up in the close, and I'm really hoping that's what we get. GameStop trying to get a little bit of a bounce off of 21.15. Want to see GameStop close above 21. Want to see AMC close above 150. Oh, we got a new X follower. I appreciate it. 2,238 X followers. Thank you for that. I appreciate that. Dilution will come after February.
Price target next week
They
if
may have
AMC
even done
hold
that because they know
1.5 plus
AMC's
no
gonna run a
dilution.
little bit. Someone keeps buying 450 calls. Dilution doesn't come till after February. February 2nd. AMC's definitely curling up. I swear if she pops in the close, that would be so nasty. Thank you for the super chat, Danny. Thank you so much, bro. I really appreciate that, dude, for real. GameStop getting a very good bounce. Let's go. Let's go, guys. GameStop getting a very good bounce. 21-28. GameStop trying to go back green on the day. AMC 162. AMC coming back. AMC might pop in the close, y'all. We're about to get Green MACD 5-minute time frame. Looking good. If we break this orange line, AMC will pop. If we break and hold this orange line, AMC will pop. AMC 161 up 11.25 right now. AMC up 11.25 right now. GameStop 21.22. Brave. It was nice to see all the OGs back in the chat. Damn, we just hit 150 plus likes. Thank you. We just hit 150 plus likes. 1,087 views. And we only been live right now for 2.5 hours, man. We have 30 minutes of the market remaining. So we'll be live for about 3 hours a day. Already did like 1,100 views, bruh. Already did 10 brand new members. Multiple super chats. Thank you guys so much. Truly, you guys always show love, man, and I appreciate that. DZ dating site shut down. I need 10% of all dates connected. I need 10% of revenue from that. We got 160 in the building, y'all. Come on, baby. If AMC breaks this and holds this orange line, we pump in the close. All we have to do is stay above the orange line, and we will pump in the close. AMC at 161. GameStop getting a bounce off of 21.15. It's at 21.23. Come on. Come on. Spy trying to hold on right here. Spy trying to hold on. AMC might close at like 162, 165. Yeah, Amy's going, guys. Amy's coming back. Curling up in the close as expected. Let's go. That's what Amy does. She'll run just randomly. James R with the Rockets. Love to see it. GME's fine. It's GME's up on the week. AMC just hit 163, bro. AMC just hit 163. SPY pulling back a little bit here, guys. SPY pulling back. Could be getting that dump in the last couple minutes here as people take profits. Red MACD, 5-minute and 10-minute time frames. Bearish momentum building, SPY. I would take profit on calls. I would take profit on calls. A lot of people are going to be taking profits. SPY going to dump down in the close. AMC up 12% on the day. Let's get some rockets in the chat. AMC up. They're desperate. They're getting shares and dumping them. They're getting shares and dumping them. They have 100,000 left right now. 100,000 shares left. But look, they had 400,000, dumped them. 100,000, dumped them. 200, dumped them. They're getting shares and dumping them. They're desperate. They are desperate right now. SPY dumping a little bit here. SPY with a slight dump down. Tenet holds support. Looks like it might pull back here as expected. Take profit on them calls. 2026 is truly our year. 2026 is truly our year. Yeah, get them rockets in the chat. NE4BJ. Pump it, pump it, pump it. $20 minutes remaining. 20 minutes remaining. 20 minutes remaining. Got 171 people in the building. Blasted past 1,000 likes, man. We only been live for 2.5 or 3.5. Wait, how long have we been live? We've been live for 2.5 hours. We still got 1,100. 172 in the building, man. We flying today. 157 likes. A 50 bomb in super chats. 10 brand new members. Thank you guys, man. I appreciate that. AMC pushing up 164. AMC pushing up 164, guys. We are pushing up in the close as expected. We are pushing up into close as expected. And SPY is pulling back, guys. SPY is pulling back. Watch out, man. SPY's going to dump down a little bit heading into close. AMC 164 up 12.5% on the day. I repeat, AMC up 13% on the day. AMC up 13% on the day. Drop those rockets to help Amy go. GameStop at 21.23. GameStop trying to get a bounce in the close. GameStop gap filled to the upside, by the way. GameStop upside gap fill at 21.48 to 21.50. That gap is on the 5 and the 10-minute time frame. SPY pulling back in the close as expected. AMC at 164 right now, curling up. I told you guys if we broke above this orange line and held, you'd see a pop to the upside, and that's exactly what we're seeing right now. Bullish, baby. AMI bottoming as expected. We've been talking about it. AMC capitulation signal. AMC's coming back up. AMC's bottoming. AMC bottom in. We talked about it, baby. And we gave you guys that legendary price target months ago, telling you AMI would come down to 143, 145. We let you guys know that months ago that if the yes vote happens, so the yes voters truly need to be thanking me, because we told you that if AMI came,
Hi guys, what
if
is up?
AMI got, I believe we are finding a, if AMI got the yes vote, we told you what would happen. So all the yes voters should be thanking you. In the dilution here for AMC stock, and not only some of it, but all of the dilution here for AMC stock. False hope, but and all of the dilution. Now, again, I don't want to give you guys hopium, and I don't want to give you guys false hope, but literally this could be pricing in the dilution.
AMC
that we're
165.
seeing. Also, AMC is extremely oversold, ladies and gentlemen. You guys can see that RSI on the daily time frames at 19.53. This is where buyers will be stepping in, and this
15 minutes remaining.
Deep oversold
15
conditions that AMC
minutes
can push down
remaining.
Way too much. It is going to get a bounce. It is only
15
natural
minutes
to see
remaining.
Some type of bounce, even a dead cat bounce off of this move, ladies and gentlemen. So this is why I
told
believe
you
AMC
we were gonna get a
could
bounce.
push back to the upside. If you guys see what's going on here on the weekly time frame, you guys can see RSI at 25.49%. So this is extremely oversold conditions. Also, if you go ahead and look on the 4-hour time frame, we are building bullish momentum. RSI is trending up, price trending down. This is bullish divergence. RSI, because of this, you could see price trend down a little bit more, but I believe we are finding a bottom.
All right, we got to do our
Market
push-ups for
makers
the
are
day.
going to fight fiercely tomorrow to try to
5,
keep
10,
us under
15, 20,
$8,
25,
50. Why?
30,
Because they don't want
35,
50 calls
40,
in the money.
45,
Also,
50,
you guys
55,
can see
60,
right now,
65, 70.
right
Oh my
here
God,
at
we
time
got to
of
do
recording,
70 push-ups.
or Max Payne is sitting at $1.50. So that means the market makers are going to try to
Listen,
push that.
if you guys missed yesterday's video, check it out right now. If you missed yesterday's video, check it out right now. I have to do 70 push-ups. I have to get on this now. $184 in the building. We got 180 in the building right now. 180 in the building. Almost 1,200 views. Only been live about 3 hours. Doing numbers, baby. If we would have been live all day, we'd have had over 2K views. I gotta do 70 freaking push-ups. I gotta get on it, bro. All right, so that was 40. We need 30 more.
right, so that was, I need 10 more. "70 push-ups. Urgh. Bro, why does it say we have 200? Oh, we're moving. We just got another huge boost of people. Guys, if you want to support for free, like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. We just got another huge boost of people. Spy pulling back in the close as expected. Spy pulling back in the close as expected, y'all. AMC 165. GameStop getting a nice bounce in the close, 21.26. Closing well above $21. Perfect. We have 9 minutes remaining. 9 minutes remaining. Oh my God. Amy's getting crazy. Amy's getting crazy. Up 14% on the day. Amy's up 14% on the day. GameStop getting a nasty bounce as well, guys. GameStop moving up 21.27. Memes are not playing no games. Amy just hit 166. 10 to 10, 10 piece. Headed back to Cabo. Have a great vacation, bro. You are the man, dude. You are a traveling man. 5150 with the 10 piece. Love
Headed back to Cabo,
it.
bruh. Flexed biceps medium skin tone. Flexed biceps medium skin tone.
Thank you for the 10 piece 5150. Spy really dumping down here, guys. Spy really dumping down from a high of 695.31 down to a low of 694.53. If AMC breaks and holds 165, things could get crazy here. If AMC breaks and holds 165, it could get crazy. Next week's gonna be really exciting. Green week, Amy. Guys, if you want to support for free, like and subscribe right now. Like and subscribe right now. 5150 with the 10 piecer. Let's go. $51.50 with the 10. Yeah, Spy really moving down here, guys. Spy really dumping down here. I told you guys, take profit on calls, not financial advice. Take profit on calls, not financial advice. Spy pulling back hard. Told you in the last 30 minutes you would see a drop down rewind stream for that. We have 176 likes. Holy cow. Thank you guys so much. $190 in the building right now. $190 in the building. 1,200 views. Multiple, I repeat, multiple super chats. Thank you guys for the support, man. I truly appreciate it. AMC 100,000 shares left. GameStop 6.1 million. 5 minutes remaining. 5 minutes remaining. AMC is breaking 165. AMC is breaking 165. SPY absolutely dumping here in the close. I repeat, SPY absolutely dumping here in the close. We did tell you guys last 30 minutes you would see a pullback. Make sure you guys like and subscribe for predictions just like this. Told you take profit on them calls. GameStop at 21.23 and AMC popping to the upside into close as expected. This is bullish. We are doing the damn thing right now. Gasparilla is just like Tampa's Mardi Gras. Yeah, SPY dumped down to 694.25. Holy smokes. They're trying to push us down. They're trying to push us down. They're trying to push us down. AMC dark pool volume, 38.4 million shares. Holy cow. 38.4 million shares. AMC dark pool volume. Two minutes remaining. 2 minutes remaining. AMC volume today, 69.9 million shares on AMC volume. This is a bottom. Volume trending up. Lots of buy orders. Green MACD daily time frame. RSI trending up. Price trending down. Bullish divergence playing out. AMC bottoming as expected, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go. Let's go. We are here, baby.
1 minute remaining. 1 minute remaining. We just got another new subscriber, 16,618. Truly appreciate it. Hitting a new high of 16,618 subscribers. Truly appreciate it. Today was wild. All right, that is it. Market is closed. Market is closed. Market is closed. And we just got another new subscriber. Thank you so much. 16,619. We are moving. 177 likes. Only a 3-hour live stream. 660 bombing super chats. 10 brand new members. Tune in for a possible video around 8:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. This was your daily live stream for the day. Sorry I didn't go live earlier, guys. Just need to take a little bit of time, man. Don't want to get burnt out. You know how it is. GameStop closing at 21.24. GameStop warrants 330. AMC closing at an impressive 1.63%, up 12.78% on the day. And AMC up 1.55% on the week. SPY closing at 694.04, absolutely dumping in the close. Bitcoin current price 90,185. If you enjoyed this stream, hit that like button, subscribe, and thank you all for being here. Truly appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for the support. Thank you guys for the crazy stream. Over 1,200 views. No. 1,300 views. 1,300 views, y'all. Only on a 3-hour live stream. That's insane. We could have had like 2,000 plus views if we streamed all day. Crazy. 180 likes. Insane stream. Absolutely insane. Peak of over 200 people. $1,000 shares left to be able to borrow. $40 million shares traded in the dark pool for AMC. AMC's volume, 71.2 million shares, guys. 71.2 million shares. That's insane. This is a bottom. This is a bottom, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going to be making a video here in a few minutes. 71 million volume is insane. I don't even know if we had that type of volume back in the squeeze, bro. Okay, no, we had hundreds of millions in volume. All right. Larry, what up? I play commercials at the end and before the video. Commercials only give me like 1 cent though, bro. Yo, Larry, thank you. Commercials literally only make me like a half a cent or a cent, bro. But I play them in between at the end. Or I play them at the end because I'm about to record a video. But I appreciate it. It's really not even worth hitting the commercial because you lose views. It's like not even worth it. Larry, thank you for the subscribe. I appreciate it. Welcome to the fam. All right, I'm not going to be doing any white dotted lines. I'm going to save that for the weekly outlook and prediction. I'm not going to be doing any technical talk. We called for that move, that push up. I'm going to just erase that. But AMC is bottoming. And we came right down to the price target. So we need to show that. See ya, James. Thank you for everything. Okay. All right, this should be an easy video. All right, guys, what is up? You are back for another video of DataZero. This is a daily outlook and prediction. This video is going to be a little bit different, but this video is not financial advice. Not financial advice. Should not be taken as such. Please, let me start over. All right, guys, we got a little bit of a different video for you guys. Another daily outlook prediction, rare Friday video. Make sure you guys hit that like button and subscribe. This video is not financial advice, should not be taken as such. Please do your own research and due diligence for buying any stock or crypto asset. With that being said, let's go and hop in the charts, facts, data, show you guys what is going on now. Check out the weekly outlook and prediction for SPY, Bitcoin, everything else. We're going to be focusing on mostly AMC and a little bit of GME in this video, okay? I just want to quickly show you guys what is going on here for AMC. Now, in yesterday's video, I explained, and if you guys missed that, check it out for more details, and definitely check out the AMC and GME lawsuit video if you missed that as well. But ladies and gentlemen, this is speculative on my part, but I find it very, very odd that we came down to the 143 price target. Really, we hit 144. I'll show you guys here in a second. But we came down to the price target that I gave months ago when I told you guys this is what AMC stock's price would be if we get the yes vote, if we get the dilution, if we have a 1.1 billion float. This is the price you would see. And ladies and gentlemen, lo and behold, AMC dumped down to that price, has been bleeding, as you guys know, ever since we got the yes vote. AMC's been absolutely bleeding. Yes voters should literally be thanking me at this point, because I told you what price we would bottom at, and I told you guys, based off the past couple of videos I've been making, I told you guys that AMC was bottoming. We were forming a bottom. We have bullish divergence. I told you guys RSI was oversold. Capitulation signals. As you guys can see, AMC absolutely pumped today, ladies and gentlemen. And not only pumped, but it did absolute numbers. I want you guys just to wrap your heads around this. 71.3 million volume, ladies and gentlemen. Look how the volume is trending up. And we got all of these buy orders today. Green MACD daily time frame. Guys, this is the sign of a bottom indeed. Also, not only that, we just broke above the sloping support and resistance. You guys can see right here, we broke above the sloping support and resistance. We retested it as support and then absolutely launched to the upside. The fact that we closed above 150 today here on this Friday is extremely bullish, and this is setting us up for a great next week. So you definitely want to check out the weekly outlook and prediction, which I'll be probably dropping on Sunday, giving you guys all the technicals, price targets, and everything else that we are looking at. But from what I am seeing here, AMC has officially bottomed, and this is a bottoming signal. If you go ahead and look on the daily time frame, RSI was deep into those oversold territories, and that's what I stated yesterday as a sign that we are going to see a rally to the upside. So I believe that this move is not done yet, and I'm going to give you guys the price targets and everything else in the weekly outlook and prediction. You don't want to miss it. RSI still extremely oversold here on the weekly time frame. We have plenty of room to run to the upside. AMC right now is up 1.55% here for the week, and on the day it absolutely exploded, up 12.76%, ladies and gentlemen, with that 71.3 million volume. Now, the thing that's really interesting right now here for AMC is the shares available to short. There's basically none left, guys. Look at what's going on with the shares available to short. As you guys can see, they've been very, very low on short shares. And I've noticed this over the past couple of days. They've been getting low and not able to get more. You guys can see right here, they had 150,000, 400,000. Then it dumped down to zero. Then they got 150,000, 250,000. Then they started dumping. It went back down to zero. They got 200 shares. They are literally desperate. They used those, went back down to zero. They are desperate, dumping 200 shares. This is showing signs of extreme desperation right now at this point of time. Now, at time of recording right now, and this could change as early as Monday, but you guys can see there is only 100,000 shares left here for AMC at a cost to borrow of 0.44%. Now, if you see cost to borrow spike and the shares remain low like this, AMC will continue to the upside. This is one of the tools that they use to highly manipulate AMC to the downside, and they also use algorithms as well. When the volume's high like this, we can overrun those algorithms, and this is why you saw AMC run today, and this is why you saw the peculiar movement of AMC being extremely flat and then running out of nowhere. Remember, this could happen at any moment. AMC is primed to this because of all the manipulation. Pushing it down, that bullish pressure gets released, and it gets released all at once. So I believe that this could potentially be, and I don't want to give people too much hopium, more than a dead cat bounce and a potential move to the upside. And they are not allowed to sell any shares until after February 2nd, ladies and gentlemen. So we could see upside until potentially February 2nd. Again, this is just speculation at this point, but we could see upside until that point because they're not allowed to sell any shares up until that point. So, ladies and gentlemen, we are looking decent for a potential recovery rally here for AMC. Now, they have been using dark pool a lot. Dark pool volume at 68.46%, and they traded an insane 40 million shares in the dark pool here for AMC. So this is what we're looking at for AMC stock. I'll break it down more technical wise and give you guys price targets as well. But the fact that we closed above 150 is huge. I'll give you guys everything else on the weekly outlook and prediction. GME right now, cost to borrow is at 0.39%, and they have 6.1 million short shares. We also had some news here for GME as well. If you guys missed this, you definitely want to be aware of this. And we have some news for AMC if you missed this, guys. Avatar hit over $1 billion in the box office, and with AMC being one of the biggest or the biggest movies chain, it will be taking a majority of that traffic. So we have that as well. Also, AMC has been showing other things to bring in numbers. And then, of course, we do have this recent news of Ryan Cohen buying more shares, increasing his stake about a 10%. He has 3,734,784 shares at this current time. This is a 13D, so this is official, and this was filed on the 6th. So this is some news and showing insider buying here for Ryan Cohen. Or the transaction date was on the 6th, but it looks like the 13D was filed on the 8th. So this is what we're looking at for GME. Stock news, everything going on there. I'll talk about SPY and Bitcoin and cryptocurrency in another video. As far as GME is concerned, we do have this gap fill to the upside that was created today. GME did hold key levels of support as well. Closing above $21 was extremely bullish as well. They did not want us over $21.50 or $22 because Gamma would have went crazy. We have a decent amount of call option activity around those levels for GME. AMC closing above 150. Those calls did close in the money, but we are looking good. GME gap fill to the downside as well. You do want to be aware of that. This gap fill is on the daily time frame, so it is extremely important. But right now we're holding key levels, and it looks like GME is going to be able to continue up as well, putting pressure on both sides of the shorts because many of the shorts that are short AMC are short GME, and vice versa. The gap fill to the downside here for GME is at roughly about 20.91 at the low end and 21.05 at the high end, as we did come down and fill a little bit of it today, but then we got a bounce. So this is what we're looking at. I'll give you guys more technicals, price targets, and everything else in the weekly outlook and prediction, but I just wanted to give you guys that news on GME and let you know that there was little to no shares left to borrow here on AMC, and we could potentially see more bullishness for both of the meme stocks. Again, tune in for the weekly outlook and prediction to get more information on price targets and more technical breakdown and everything else. But if you watch to the end of this video, thank you so much, man. I truly appreciate you guys. Make sure you guys hit that like button and subscribe. And as always, y'all, make sure you have fun, stay safe, make money. Peace out, fam. Decent little video, I think. What do you guys think? we're gonna go ahead and upload that. That was a decent little video, right? What up, Tronics? All right, guys, I'll see you guys later. Thank you guys for an incredible stream today. Just a little over a 3-hour live stream. We were able to do 1,400 views. So thank you for that. I'm uploading these videos, so stream's gonna get kind of laggy. So I appreciate you guys. 184 likes, 10 brand new members, and then over a 50 bomb and super chats. Thank you guys so much. Sometimes we have to stream all day to get that, and we did that in 3 hours today, so thank you. I truly appreciate that. Yeah, shout out to anybody who stayed.
Yo, 14, you got another one.
All right, thanks, fam. Video is uploaded, so I'm gonna be releasing that and getting off stream. Whoa! We hit 1,600 views. So we hit 1,600 views in just a 3-hour and 44-minute live stream. Insane. 192 likes, 10 brand new members. Thank you all again, man. I appreciate you. You guys are the best. Thank you guys who stayed. I appreciate it. Thank you so much, man. Great stream today. Great stream. Let's go. Great stream today. Thank you, fam, so much, for real. 3 hours, 45 minutes. So many likes, so many views. All right, y'all. As always, have fun. Stay safe. Make money. Peace out, family. And check out the video to help support even more. Thank you all. Peace.